Hello, let's see how to fill a PDF form online and sign without the help of any printer or anything. So, to do that, just open Adobe Acrobat application. If it's not installed, please install Adobe Acrobat. And once you have opened the application, now open the form which you want to fill. So, now this is the form I want to fill. So, first, what you have to do, you have to type your name. So, choose this option here, type text and keep it here. Put your name here. Now you can enter your date of birth. I'm giving some random values here. You can enter your phone number. Then you can type your email address. You can type your address. You can type your post office. And here you can see the boxes. So you want to put a tick mark. So go back again to this option here. Choose a check mark and choose the option which you want. Just click that so that you can see now it's selected. And similarly, for agreeing terms and conditions, you have selected that option. And now here you have two. One option is for signature and one for date. So let's fix the date first. You can go here and you can enter the date. So now I had entered the date. So now I have to put the signature. It's very easy to add a signature. You can go here and click add signature. Either you can write it here, but if you already have a signature, just put your signature on a white paper, take a photo and then upload it to your computer, and then you have to go to the photo which you have taken. Okay, so I had created my signature file, and this is the image which I had taken a photo using my mobile phone. So I am just selecting this. So now you can see the signature is here. Apply the signature, and so you already have your signature here, and you can simply go here and put. So once you completed filling the form, just press the save button here and choose the location where you want to save and put the form name and click save. So now you can see you had completed the form without any uh, printer or anything. You can completely do this with your computer. You don't need any printer or don't need to do anything manually, and it's very quick option. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe so that I can create more and more videos which is helpful for you. Thank you.